Hey everyone, it's Monday, April 15th, 2019. Quick video, me changing the double Norcold fridge doors. What happened was, when we got the motorhome, two of the door handles were broken. I think it was used at an RV show maybe, and 100 people a day opened the fridge door, and it broke. So they kind of gave us an IOU. Well, bottom line is, a year later, I got new doors. And I'm putting them on myself. They're not even the right doors. These doors are stainless steel. My other ones were black. And we've been dealing with this for too long. I'm putting these doors on, and I'll probably just upgrade the freezer doors to stainless steel. These are our current Norcold fridge doors. Double fridge. Whoops. And what happened was, the door handles were broke. These pieces were stripped out, so the door handle parts were popping out of the door. On both. So when I drive, the doors fly open. A year later, after trying to get doors or door handles, this is what they sent me yesterday. Stainless steel doors. Stainless or brush stainless steel doors for my fridge that have black doors. They're not even exactly the same shape. Everything looks the same, so maybe it's for 2019 model FR3. I don't know, but I'm going to find out in a few minutes. First things first, I'm going to remove this screw. That should allow me to just take the door off easily, I hope. Well, that was easy. Huh. I think it was already loose. Screws out. Door came out easier than I thought. That's not a good sign. I feel like it's never a good sign when something is going easier than you expected, because you know something's going to go wrong. That was the screw. Just a little thread on the top. The rest of it was just kind of like a pin. Now we have this flap that goes in the middle. You know, I could look it up and see what it's called, but I'm lazy. Looks like it just comes off, and there's a wire which probably plugs in, because it doesn't run through the door. It makes its contact there. Let me shut the light off. It makes its contact on these three buttons. These three buttons here. So it's pre-wired in the door. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, looks like we're good. All right. Looks like we got them. Okay. Woo. All right, I'm going to take this off now. Two screws. What holds this on? Slides up. All right, slides up and out. Slides up and out. I laid it down. There is a plug. There is a plug. God, this is so far too easy. Something's definitely going to go wrong. I have located the plug on the new door, and I'm going to put the flap on. Whatever that flap is called. Oh, let's take the plastic off of the buttons. The buttons probably will pop out. Yes, they will. Good, good, good. All right, I'm going to put this back on. Oh, shoot. Which way to go? That plug. It's like very loosely recessed in there. It's weird. I almost need something to push it in. I think that did it, but make sure that plug is seated in there. Oh yeah, it definitely could have went some more. So I just pushed down on that plug to make sure that it was seated in there correctly. I'll put this flap back on. Oh man, I'm so good at this. I'll make a living doing this. Oh yeah. So that is on. I'm not going to take the plastic off yet, because I still feel like it's not going to work out, and I'm going to have to send it back. Well, I should have looked at it to make sure it was okay, but I don't care. Okay, I'm going to now try to put the silver door on the black fridge. Let's see if it fits. Let's see if it fits. Come on. Fit. Oh. So far, so good. I think. This B? Let's make sure those contacts are lining up too. Is this actually B? Okay, I'm gonna screw the screw pin. Is that what we'll call it? Because I know there's an official name for it, but I don't know what it is. I'm just gonna tighten it down a little bit. I'm sure there's a better tool for this. Because I am kind of jacked. Whoa. Whoa, that's as tight as it's gonna go. I am kind of jacking up the paint a little bit, so that's not the proper tool to use. But I'm a butcher. Holy cow. Could that... Jeez, I think it worked. I think it worked. I'm going to pull the plastic off. Good thing at least I have two bottom doors. Same thing. Second burst, same as the first. Oh, you know what? Big one on the bottom. Learn something new every day. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. Same thing. I'm going to loosen this screw pin. Easy. And I think I can do the rest by hand. I can. Okay. Door's off. This door, on the other hand, doesn't have the flap. So it should just be a matter of putting it back on and putting the screw back in. I have this thing that we joke around about. It's called Sean Kincaid luck. Or Sean luck, whatever you want to call it. And that's because things just do not work out for me. In general in life, I have okay luck with certain things. But when it comes to stuff like this, like waiting a year, going back and forth to get these doors, and then they finally show up, and I'm so happy I opened the box and they're silver, Sean Kincaid luck. And I'm at the point where I'm like, I'm not even going to send them back. And that, friends, I think did it. That looks a little off level to me though, doesn't it? I don't know. That did it. I can't believe that just worked. This is what broke here. These handles were popping out. It was stripped going into the door. The handles were popping out. Besides the fact that it's the wrong color, we're good to go. I don't know. You know what? I'm going to look at it, be an optimist here, and say maybe those doors were better than the ones that I got. And when I replace the ones on top, that it'll look like it'll upgrade the value. I don't know. That's it, folks. Fridge doors done. Again, I'm not a mechanic. I'm not a RV repairman. This is not a tutorial. Just taking you through my experience replacing my fridge doors on my own. It was a piece of cake. It was very easy. It's a little too easy. So, thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below. Hit the thumbs up if you like the video. And subscribe. Appreciate it. Have a great